Hey guys, so it's time to wash my hair. This is day 6 of not washing my hair, and for an oily hairy girl, this is legitly oily. So I found a hack that you put salt in your shampoo. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I'm like, there's a lot of reviews with salt and shampoo and said it'll reduce the oiliness and the flakiness of your hair and thus also reduce the days of time you have to shampoo. So we're gonna shampoo today with the salt and see how far I can go without washing my hair. Okay, so I got my salt here, I got my sea salt, and I got my bottle of shampoo. This is the Human Nature Natural Shampoo. Yes. So it's said to put at least 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea salt. 1 tablespoon. Okay, now that the salt is in, shake her up. Let's take a shower. Hey, here's day 1 of my hair after being washed with salt shampoo. So far, so good. Hi guys, this is my hair day 3. Not so bad, not so bad. Hey guys, this is my hair day 4. It's getting there. It's not so oily. So, day 4. Hey guys, so it's been day 5 since the salt and the shampoo wash, and I haven't washed my hair since, so it's day 5. And apparently, not so bad. It's not that oily compared to when I didn't put salt in my shampoo, so it's wash day today, and I'm gonna get in the shower. I'm gonna wash my hair again with the salt shampoo. I'm gonna be using the Human Nature strengthening shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, so far the salt in the shampoo works. It works because usually if I just shampoo my hair after like 2 days, it gets very oily. And this is like on the 5th day. It's not bad. It's a start, it's not bad. It's something that will build up and eventually be great. So let's wash this off and check back with you guys later. Ciao. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I just got out the shower. As you all know, I am doing a experiment with the salt in my shampoo because I've seen like a lot of YouTubers do this and they eventually get luscious hair with just salt and shampoo. So first of all, I'm gonna let you guys know what shampoo I use. It is the Human Nature Natural Shampoo Strengthening Plus. It has rosemary essential oil to help hair regrowth. And this is the shampoo that I put salt in, and it's doing wonders for me. Plus the conditioner I use is also the same thing, conditioner form. Very good. And I also do use hair oil, also Human Nature. It's the Natural Smoothing and Nourishing Hair Serum. It moisturizes and protects dry, frizzy hair. It has broccoli, sunflower, avocado, and soybean oil. So it's also natural. So I wanted to hop on this trend. Well, not really trend, it's just something I had to try because I have been struggling with oily hair. Oh my gosh. I have been struggling with oily hair almost my entire life. Yes, my hair is oily. My hair is thin, oily, and curly also. My hair is naturally curly. So I have all that. And so I've been trying to figure out what to do with my hair to prevent it to be oily so often, and just after like I shower about 2 days, it gets so oily. And I came across this girl on YouTube and she pointed out to use salt in shampoo. So I'm like, what? It's in my kitchen right now. It's in the kitchen right now, the salt. If I knew that a long time ago, I wouldn't have this problem. So right now I'm trying it out and it's actually working. So yes, I've shown you guys my 5-day update on the salt shampoo and it's actually working. So I'm just doing the 5 days. And so I did some research. And what does salt do when in your shampoo and when you use it? Number 1, it actually exfoliates the hair. But I recommend you not to use it often, like every day. I recommend you guys to use it at least once every 7 days or once every 2 weeks. It is an exfoliator and we don't want to over exfoliate. It's not good even for your skin. we don't want to over exfoliate our skin, right? So next is it removes toxins and impurities. Again, salt is natural, so it's not too harsh on your hair. It is a DIY solution for hair growth. So if you're struggling or if you're having a problem with your hair, and if you're experiencing hair loss, hair thinning, all that hair fall like me, this is a good solution. So don't rush. It's gonna pan out, it's gonna work, but don't rush it because it takes time. Again, it's not harsh on the hair. And next, it prevents oil buildup. So yes, we are trying to manage the greasy hair, and it prevents the oil buildup. It even volumizes your hair. Look how thick and luscious that looks, even if I have thin hair. See? Yes, you can flaunt it any way you like. You won't have to hide your natural hair. And yeah. Also, if you're experiencing any itchy, dry scalp, dandruff, this is also your solution. It treats dandruff and itchy scalp. So apparently salt is very, 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 very useful to your hair. It's very important to your hair. And why now did I just find out about salt in shampoo? I should have found out about it a long time ago, you know. So yeah. And if you guys want to try it, go ahead. You can either use table salt, sea salt, Epsom salt, any salt. And yeah, what I did with my shampoo, I put like 2 tablespoons of sea salt or rock salt, and yeah, I put it in the 400 ml. This is 400 ml, so I use 2 tablespoons of rock salt or sea salt into my 400 ml of shampoo. And yeah, so far so good. It feels light to the hair. It doesn't feel like you're scrubbing off your scalp. It does not. It's really nice. And plus, I noticed that the salt dissolves in the shampoo. I don't see like any remnants of the salt, so I guess it dissolved in this, so it's very good. It's all in there. It's all compact. Yeah. And also the way I use this this video is like all over the place. It's here, there's there. And this oil, this hair oil, I use on the tips of my hair, like when it's dry right now. I only put like 1 pump, because 1 pump is enough. You can barely see it. Running down my head, yeah. And then just rub it on your palm, like so, and just scrunch on the edge, the ends of the hair. It smells so good. Literally smells so good. If I was making perfume, I'd make this scent. It smells so good. It's just natural. Oh Lord, it smells so good. Put it on my neck, so leave me alone. This is my update on the salt in the shampoo. And so far so good. So far so good. The salt in the shampoo is working really fine for my hair, and I'm gonna update you guys probably on my Instagram to see how this goes for about a month. See how my hair turned out, see how it reacted to the salt in the shampoo. And yeah, so far so good. So if you guys are struggling with hair loss, with oily hair, with dandruff, itchy scalp, this is your solution. Salt and shampoo. Yep, that's all you need. Salt and shampoo. And patience. We all gotta have patience, right? So, yes, on that note, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. And follow me on Instagram, because why not, bruh? If you do want an update, follow me on Instagram, because I will update my hair regularly. Probs. So yeah, I hope you guys can try it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ciao. Your hair is the crowning glory. Your hair is your crowning glory. Your hair is